Uh, as you all know, my name is Randolph T. Tamba, and I'll be your trainer for today, and I'll be presenting to you on the topic SQL Basic. So I will start with the PowerPoint slides. So this I already introduced myself, and this is what I talk about. So I'm your presenter anyway. So disregard this. It's not much of information, but I'm not telling you if you are nervous to it. So. And the overall objectives will be to give you guys clear understanding and to teach you guys to learn the basic of SQLite and to understand how it works. So and a specific objective is to know how to search for movies, your favorite movies, and to get name of your actor you want, and to get some ratings of movie that will, because the rating will make you want to watch it, because it will tell you the quality of that movie. So, and at the end of this, I will give you a project that you work on. You should run this project. You should work this project and without no errors. That's a specific objective right there. So, as you can see, that's how we'll go through it step by steps. And this right here gives extra information to show how you to log on everything. Well, I think most of you guys already know how to log on anyway. So it's not, we should actually go in deep into that. And when you log on, there's a view of the screen, and this how I want your screen to be looking like. And you will go over here, you searching for this icon. You're gonna get so many different icons, and you want this icon that look like a CD. So it's a gray icon, and when you click on it, you will come to this screen. That's how your screen should look. Take a look at this feature, and let me go to the real screen of this database. So this is how your screen should be looking like. You should have all of this attribute at the menu bar over here. All of this attribute at the menu bar. The menu bar contains all of these attribute, all of these tags list. You can see right here. So in order to know, to search for location, where to go for, to search, to input this movie database we want to work in, we're gonna come here. There's just extra information. There's just a comment, because I know some people will think it's so complicated. This is why I just talk about this, but I'll walk you through it step by step, like I said, so you can get some prior knowledge on how the SQLite database works. SQL. So when you come over here, this how when you click on this, you click on file of the disregard file. You can still go to file and open data, but you come in right here. So we want to come to this one. See, like, in order to import your database, I'm only showing you already in the database, but you can go right here. You see, and this is how your screen should look like. You see on this PowerPoint slides. This is how you're supposed to be looking, and you click where you store your document, where you store your where you downloaded your database. If you can click download, or you store on the desktop, or you store it as a document, you can click any part of it so you can open. And let me go to this page. For our class, we do have our database saved in our all class folder, and this is how we get into our all class folder, and we go to a specific APCS folder. We save our document to. We click on workshop right here. But for this, you see, I'll store this document on download. So as you can see, download is highlighted, and there's the movie database right here. This how it will be looking like. So let me take you back to the PowerPoint slides. So right now we go. Okay, for this one we save it in this SQLite browser. As you can see right here, this is where we're supposed to be. SQL SQLite. So when you click on that, you see this how you want to take you. You're going to take you to this movie database. So you're going to take you to this movie database right here, and this where you want to click on to import. So if I click on this, I'll import it. I'll import. Okay, for example, if I click on this right here, it's already, it gives me a clear indication to open. This way I will import it into this area. So now if you click on this, you're going to import it to the database and to the to your execution box. So we'll be walking through these tasks. As you can see, it's already been highlighted. If I click open, it's already been imported. These are all of the tables. These are all of the movies. And in this movie, we have 3 tables. We have the rating tables, we have the reviewer tables. So you can switch between these 3 to go on any table, because all of these tables, you see, like for the rating tables, it get all of these attribute, movie rating, reviewer ID, and all the stuff, all of this information right here. And you can count the rating, reviewer only have a reviewer ID and a name. Or we'll go back to the movie table. So we get this this is how you switch between them. So we're gonna walk through these tasks. We want to find all title of the movie that this man right here directed, and the other project will be that we want to find all movie that receive a rating of 5 or 4, and we'll sort them in increasing order. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna take you through the steps. So come back right here. We've already been in this box. And before going there, I want to show you this, what you're going to be working on. This is your project you're going to be working on. You're going to go through to find all the names of all people who review movies, and I will give you some hints on it, so you can follow these steps. You can use the hints to get all of the information, the answers you want for these questions. And this is the second part of the project, and this is the third part of the project. So if you do that, and I think I give information, I'll be a warning. If you do that, I'll be giving a $5 gift card for the first person. I will get it all of it correct with no errors. So this is where I'm examining this project to see if you understand everything. So back to the simple queries that I want to write. So I'll go back to our execution box. This is our execution box right here. I click execute, and as you can see, as you can see right here, this is how you're gonna write. You're gonna post select title, because we want to get the title, from the movie. We want to get a title from the movies. Let me go back. I can switch between them. So as you can see, one movie this title related is an attribute of movie table, and also director is attribute of the movie table. So we'll go back to the execution box right here. So we want to get it from the movie table. So we get our information from the movie table. So same director is attribute of movie table. So we say this is the movie that he wrote. So when we click on execute, you see it will give you all the information right here. If you have errors, nothing will show it, and it will tell you that 0 rows return in 1 millisecond from the queries that you wrote. There is no, so if errors within your coding, there is nothing will show down here. It will be blank. But for this one, I think we executed well. So these are the 2 results we have from the query we just wrote. The name this is the title of the name of the movie that he directed. This man right here, Steven Spielberg. So when I go back, if you see him right here and him right here. So these are the 2 movies that he directed. You can see for yourself. These are the 2 movies that he directed. You see his name right here. But if you want a year to, You can, if you want a year of that movie, you can just add a year right here. For example, you can just, you see, yeah. Let me try. Let me see something. Yeah. So you see, like the year is included. The year is included, but I will take the year from it because our project didn't require to have a year. So I'm just doing it just the extra information I'm giving you. So we go back here. So as you can see, we run it again, and we get our two nearly movie. So our second, we're gonna do the second part of our simple queries. So we want to write. They want to find all years of this movie right here. So we want to find. The reason why I put this thing here, I will tell you later. But let me just go through this process for you. So we're gonna go to select. Yeah. So we're not gonna. I'm just gonna leave all of the other information that's to just add to it. So we're gonna go right here. So we want the year and movie font. So we go right here. So we're gonna the year and so we want from the movie table where you see movie right here. In the movie table, so we have to use movies. For the movie, and in order to get rating, the rating is in the rating table, so we have to get rating too. From the rating table, it's already reserved, so it's already there the table, so you just click on it when it come out, and we want to go to, so we want to because we want to find the thing they have in common, right? This one have a movie ID and rating have a movie ID too. So rating have a movie ID, so we're gonna use the ID to execute. So we're gonna say movie dot okay, MRD equal rating dot MRD. Then we're gonna go, and if you see right here, oh, I forgot to put this thing here. This thing here with this thing here, this thing will take away all duplicates because we don't want so many rows keep repeating. As you can see, so put this thing gonna take the duplicate from there. So we're gonna say n stars equal 4 or 5 by year. Where I go? Yeah, so we're gonna say okay. So we're gonna say n. So it's we say n so you can see n stars. So star is the rating. Star is associated with rating table. So star equal 4 or 5. Yeah, stars equal 4 or 5 in order by 5 equal 4 or 5, and then we'll count it order by year. So we want this. These are all the years, but we want the title too, because how will you know like the year of the movie? We don't have the title, so we want a title. Yeah, so we just gonna. So it gave us all of the title of these movies, as you can see right here. So I think this how we run our simple query, and you can see right here. Yeah, so like I said again, I'll be giving you this tags for you to work on at the end of this training process. So I want to tell everyone, I want to say thank you to everyone of you who gave me your attention. So if you watch this can help you know how to make a simple query using SQL Basic. want to appreciate you guys for that. Thank you.